Guys, the people have marched to State House. These guys, the soldiers have barricaded. It's a constitutional thing because Mugabe has to acknowledge constitutionally that he has to give up power, guys. The soldiers, they're not here against us. They have a purpose to play. They understand the constitution. They have to barricade. We are like literally like 100 meters away from State House right now. But they have a duty to the people of Zimbabwe. And the people understand that. If you can appreciate, we are peacefully sat in front. You see the tank is reversing, is turned around. They've made it clear to the people what they want to see. They've made it clear. Here goes the tank there. Uthi okumangalisayo. Here. They want peace just like we do, but they've got a duty to play. Oh, hello. They're turning back around again. But hey, we cannot go to State House. We have to stay put. Because we have to do this thing constitutionally, guys.